to. I have to.
Let's go. Just get to class. Here you go.
Sorry, Hunter. You'll have to miss this lesson.
Why?
A new assignment. A painting for the entrance hall. Based on a Grimm's fairy tale to tie in with our curriculum. Don't worry. You'll have help. Miss Gore.
Wait. So,
I'll cover Mr. Jensen's class. I need you to mentor Hunter for this project. One-on-one, starting now.
Totally, I want you to explain. At least tell me the real reason you dumped me.
we were in school. Even discussing this here is inappropriate.
I know it's inappropriate. Breaking my heart and not having the guts to tell me.
How many times? I'm back with Mac. You and me, it was wrong. More than wrong. Illegal.
You don't care about the rules. Not when you're in love.
I'm not in love with you.
Yes, you are!
Get a shift on. We have to clean all this up before Sally gets back.
Don't you mean Mrs. St. Clair? What happened to us?
You know what happened? I fell back in love with Mac.
I don't buy it.
You're just jealous.
I'm perceptive. I've got a good eye, you always said that. Something's not right. You're different.
I'm not in love with you anymore. You need to move on.
Is that paint on your cheek?
Is it? I was just doing an art project.
I know. I saw you. With him.
Sally asked me to mentor him. I couldn't exactly say no without...
Did she force you to touch him too? No. But you're a slut. As soon as you saw your toy boy, you couldn't resist. Could you?
I did resist him. I can. I will.
That's okay. You won't have to, not anymore. You're gonna quit your job.